Without further ado, let's get to my movie review of Sound of Hope, The Story of Possum Trot from 2024. Sound of Hope. The Story of Possum Trot is a heartfelt drama that delves into the power of community, faith, and the transformative impact of adoption. Directed by Joshua Weigel and co-written with Rebekah Weigel, the film is based on the true story of Donna and Reverend W.C. Martin, who, along with their church in East Texas, inspired 22 families to adopt 77 children from the local foster system. This act of compassion ignited a movement that brought hope to vulnerable children everywhere. Set in the small town of Possum Trot, the film follows Donna Martin, played by Nika, as she navigates the challenges of expanding her family through adoption after the death of her mother. Her husband, Reverend W.C. Martin, portrayed by Demetrius Grosse, initially hesitates but soon becomes a passionate advocate for the cause. Together, they work with Susan Ramsey, a child protective services worker played by Elizabeth Mitchell, to find homes for children who have faced unimaginable hardships. The film's strength lies in its portrayal of the Martins' journey, highlighting the emotional and practical challenges of adopting children with traumatic pasts. The character of Terry, a troubled teen played by Diana Babnikova, serves as a focal point for the narrative, illustrating the complexities of building trust and healing from abuse. Babnikova's performance is both raw and authentic, capturing the struggles of a young girl trying to find her place in a new family. While the film is deeply rooted in faith, it transcends religious boundaries by focusing on universal themes of love, empathy, and community. The screenplay effectively balances moments of joy and hardship, offering a realistic depiction of the adoption process. The film does not shy away from the difficulties faced by the families, such as financial strain and the emotional toll of caring for children with special needs. These challenges are addressed with sincerity, providing a nuanced view of the adoption experience. The performances of King and Grosse are particularly noteworthy, bringing depth and authenticity to their roles. King's portrayal of Donna is both powerful and vulnerable, while Grosse's depiction of W.C. captures the character's fiery passion and quiet strength. Their chemistry on screen adds a layer of authenticity to the film, making their journey all the more compelling. Despite its strengths, Sound of Hope is not without its flaws. The film's runtime of 2 hours and 10 minutes feels excessive at times, with certain scenes dragging on longer than necessary. Additionally, the film's melodramatic tone can be overwhelming, with some moments feeling overly sentimental. However, these issues do not detract significantly from the overall impact of the story. In summary, Sound of Hope. The Story of Possum Trot is a moving and inspiring film that sheds light on the importance of adoption and the power of community. It is a rare faith-based film that offers a positive message regardless of one's religious beliefs. While it may not be perfect, its heart is in the right place, and it serves as a testament to the resilience and compassion of the human spirit. So, that's my review of Sound of Hope, The Story of Possum Trot, and I'm giving it 3.5 stars out of 5. Thank you for listening. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, and it will be great to see you all next time.